I'm gonna do some changes on my YouTube channel that maybe will destroy everything that I worked for in so many years. Maybe I even get banned. I hope not, but I don't know what's gonna happen with these changes. If you are someone that wants to create or in the process of starting your YouTube channel, I'm gonna talk a little bit about my journey, the mistakes that I did, and the changes that I'm gonna do. So if that's something that interests you, keep watching and let's start. And also I'm going to talk about if it is worth it to have a bilingual channel, because this channel was bilingual, but that's one of the changes. So if that's interesting for you, keep watching and let's start. So let's talk about first the changes. Like I mentioned, I want to stop having a bilingual channel. I did a poll, only 2 people responded. I'm still a really small channel. I only have 2,000 subscribers in 103, which I'm really happy. Thank you for all of you that have subscribed, and I'm really happy. But the channel has grown so slow, and I know that the most important thing is the quality of your videos. I know I need to get better, not only having more time to edit the videos in a better way, but also just my art is not the best. Actually, I started this channel barely knowing sculpting, and now I create over I don't know how many sculptures, but you can see some on the back. But I didn't know anything. When I started my channel, I didn't know anything. So I'm going to talk about my journey. The other change that I'm going to do to stop having this bilingual channel is to take almost half of the videos, almost 100 videos, and put them on another channel. In this channel, I'm going to keep the English videos, and in the other one that already start uploading, I already have 12 videos. I'm going to move all the Spanish ones into that channel. But one other thing that I don't know exactly how YouTube is gonna react. You have to understand one thing. YouTube knows exactly if someone downloads a video and uses it somewhere else. Now, if they wanna open a channel, let's say a food channel, and they just copy videos from other channels, YouTube knows and notify the owner of that video right away how much of that video is used. No example, to me, when I just uploaded those 12 videos today, I had all these notifications that they say 100%, some they say 90%. I was a little bit confused because I was trying to modify the video just a little bit, like make it shorter or add a little bit of time, or just I changed the logo to my new Spanish logo, and I added a tiny animation, to like, subscribe, and share. And to me, that was gonna be like a little bit of change. No, I was expecting to have like 70% or 80%, but no, it showed like 100%. All of them. Only one was 90% of use of the other channel. So when you have that, the owner of that video can just decide, you know what, tell them to get rid of the video. You can pretty much ignore it, just archive on your page. I know that you can get revenue from that video even if it is not on your channel, but it's your video. So I really like that they're doing. But at the same time, I don't know if I'm gonna get banned from YouTube because it's showing that I'm reusing the videos from this channel. And one of the things is that I don't want, or at least now I don't want to delete all the videos. You can delete your videos from your channel, but that's a big mistake because you lose all the views that you have. Right now, like I said, my channel is not really big. I only have 2,103 subscribers, which I thank you. Really, I appreciate it for all of you that have subscribed. Thank you so much. But all the views will completely be deleted. And something that I saw about a person that was creating his YouTube channel, he was so close to be monetized. He needed just like an hour watch or something like that, or even less, just minutes. I don't remember exactly. But he deleted some of his videos because he changed niches or something like that. So he didn't want those videos to be there. So what happened immediately, he lost those views. So from almost 4,000 hours views, he went to 3,000 in a second just for a couple videos. And of course, he was gonna apply to be monetized, but he couldn't now. He had to wait another 1,000 hours view watch, and in my experience, poor guy. No, it can take a long time to get that for some people. So for sure, I'm not really sure what's gonna happen. I'm hoping that YouTube knows that I'm just putting those videos in my other channel. Like I said, I don't want to delete them because I don't know what effect can happen. What I'm doing is unlisted. When you unlist a video, no one can see it unless you have the link. I don't know if it is better if someone knows and want to comment below if it's better to put it in private. But I put it on unlisted. If someone has a link, they can still be able to see it or find it. But I was thinking that because it was unlisted, I wasn't gonna get that copyright. But like I said, on my other channel, right away it says 100% of views of that video. So I have to do that with almost 100 videos. So for sure, I don't know what YouTube is gonna do. I have to say that already uploaded 12 and no views at all. I don't know if it's because YouTube is waiting for the copyrights, is waiting to see what me or the owner of the videos, what they decide to do. I'm not really sure how that works. For sure, in the future, in 3 months, depending how fast I see changes, I may do another video showing you the results. No, hopefully, not gonna be bad. But that was gonna happen. So why I'm deciding to have a channel that is no longer gonna be bilingual? Let's talk about my journey and the mistake that I did. So I was really happy creating. Long time ago, I had another channel, which, I mean, it was the beginning of YouTube. It was really, really long time ago. I was teaching Photoshop and other things. So I couldn't, life happened and I couldn't keep going, which was doing really good. Right now, I still have more subscribers and views than my channel. It's not monetized. I don't use it anymore. But I decided I wanted to create another YouTube channel and share with as many people as I could. So I decided to make it bilingual. I speak 3 languages, Spanish, English, and French. And actually I was thinking maybe do some videos in French. But I mean, it's a lot of work, plus my regular job, family. It's not easy. It's not an easy journey. But I was trying to do it. And one of my biggest mistakes is that I start my channel having 2 niches. I was trying to teach photography and I was trying to create teach a sculpture. That is what my channel is now. One of the things, one of the big mistakes, and I want to share just in case you want to create your YouTube channel and you're on the side, is that I should have kept probably teaching photography, not only because it's what I was more expert, but when I started my channel, I didn't really know anything. I mean, I made a few sculptures with polymer clay, but I didn't know much. No, I didn't really have experience at all. I did a sculpture for my niece, a Ninja Turtle, and actually, I don't know if you can see it. This one over here. So this was one of my very, very first ones. Sculptures that I did, and I did it for my niece, that she loves it. And I have many people telling me, oh, that was a great piece. So I decided to say, why not? I want to share that with the world. The problem is that if I see my analytics and if I remember, it took me almost forever, not months, even I think maybe a year, to have only 100 subscribers. The views were really, really slow. It was really hard for me to keep just creating videos because remember, it's a bilingual channel. That was my mistake. I was trying to teach photography and I was trying to teach sculpting or show my sculpting and Spanish and English. So that means that I was creating 4 videos at a time. Now every single time that I uploaded 4 videos, Spanish and English, for both photography and sculpting. So that was a big mistake. Imagine I could have just done 4 videos related to photography or sculpting and it would have been faster. So I decided, because it was taking so long, I decided that's it. I need to make a change. So I did make a change almost a year after I opened my, almost 2 years after I opened my channel, and I cut completely the photography out and just started doing sculpting. And I saw how it was. I was getting subscribers, I was getting views, and I mean, it still took me a year and a half or almost 2 years to be monetized, but it was a big change. No, I was seeing results now. I was able to see that people was subscribing. One of the downsides also is that my channel is not only about polymer clay or about sculpting. I mean, it's everything about the sculpting, but I use different materials. So I also see that I was affected a little bit when I was using cement, or when I was using monster clay, or when I was using polymer clay. So these different materials, some people, they were not for them. They were not happy about it. So I also saw some people unsubscribe, and it was like a stop that growing, and it has been like that since then. So now it has been almost 6 months, no, a little bit more, I think, since I got monetized. I haven't been able to not even get my first paycheck. And like I said, if you are in the same situation, don't get frustrated. Think about your channel and just make the necessary changes. Some people, they can monetize and get their first check in the first month. Well, the next month. But it can be really fast. Some of us, it takes years and years. So for sure, could be easy, but it's good to make changes. Something, the way that YouTube works is that it shows a video to someone, and then if you like it, they show another video from that creator. So that's something that I've seen, that every time that I upload my video, I see that either my English or my Spanish are doing really well, and then you can see on your studio from which video they're unsubscribing. So I saw a pattern between Spanish and English, and I think that some people are getting a video in English, they're liking it, and then when they get the Spanish one, they say, what's this? I didn't sign up for this. So, and also vice versa. So that's the reason why I'm changing, and I'm hoping that if people like my videos, they can just get the same, all the same. So like I said, what I'm worried is putting all my videos, I may need to delete from my main channel. I don't know what's gonna happen, but like I said, I'm gonna do another video. I have some people, no, I did a poll, and one person voted for me to keep my bilingual channel. I have to say that my experience has been great. Having the two languages have connected me with really great people. I love when people ask me questions and you have that interaction. And also I think that because the word bilingual, I attracted, no, seeing my analytics, almost half, no, almost in the middle, I have my views from English and almost from Spanish. So maybe it could work, but seeing, no, in the last 3 months I had like 300 people unsubscribe. So that's why I was like thinking I need to do something for my channel, and maybe having two channels, I can do live streaming and things like that are more specific depending on the people that are watching. So that might change. Like I said, I don't know what's gonna happen. I will make a video to make sure that I detailed. No, I'm trying to see what's gonna happen. But I also open another channel. I'm crazy, I don't know, I don't have any time, but I have love for movies, so I open a review movie channel in Spanish that I don't have any time at all, but I'm trying to put on the comment, not on the comments, on the description of the videos, link to my new YouTube channel in Spanish. And I don't know, also get alerts that someone is mentioning me. So doing that, I don't know if someone knows, please comment below if there is a better way to do this, but it's just alerting me all the time that you have been mentioned in this channel, your videos are being used in the other channel. So I don't know if that's gonna affect me on the rules of YouTube. I'm trying to look and I'm trying to really dig and understand, but there's so many things that it's kind of hard to to know everything. So in the end, having a bilingual channel could be good if you wanna share, no, but at the end I think that really slow your growth. I have to say that I, before taking this decision, I googled many pages that are bilingual in other even languages, not only Spanish, and I just find out that seeing their history, their growth hasn't been much. No, I've seen people that have from 2011, 13, 14 their YouTube page, and they only have like 10,000 subscribers, and you can see them that they have videos, they're good, and they're uploading almost every week or even multiple videos a week, and they still don't have that growth. And I know that the most important thing is the quality of your videos. So for sure I'm trying to see if I have the time to make better videos. Please, if you have any suggestion to make my videos better, please let me know. Now I already start moving everything, so I'm hoping like in 2 weeks I completely have unlisted at least and move all the videos, the Spanish ones, from this channel to the other one, and I'm gonna start unlisting or deleting the playlist in Spanish on this channel. So please, if you are an English speaker and you subscribe, thank you so much. If you're not, please subscribe. I love art. Let's create and let's enjoy art. So see you next time.